Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a new contact in Salesforce in 2022. So I've created this free account just to show you how it's done, so I don't share my personal data. What we have to do now is, as you can see, we are at our Salesforce workspace. And one of the options on top of this line is named Contact. We can just easily click on the Contacts menu or use this little arrow and add a new contact. Once we're in here, we are selecting the contact owner. In this case, it's gonna be me. You can add salutation, Mr. Andy Smith, account name, new account. No, let's actually not use this, and go with new account name Andy. No parent account, we can save it. And title, let's go with CEO. We can add an email, and also who is he reporting to. Then we have mailing address, other address. As you can see, my as you can see, my NordPass is trying to add all the information for me, but you can obviously go to mailing address, other address. For example, this is a mailing one, this is work one, and or personal or work and personal, mailing city, mailing state and province, mailing postal zip, other city, other code, and so on and so on. Here we can add fax, home phone, other phone, assisting phone, and all the other options. Once we are here, we just have to go and click on save, and contact Mr. Andy Smith was created. Once we click on the contacts yet again, we have Mr. Andy Smith here, and we can always add like phone into it, or mobile phone, or email, or all the other stuff. Once you're done with editing, you just press save. With this contact, we have opportunities, we have marketing, we have cases, and notes and files. And also it's already added in account Andy. So that's about it, guys. If you have more questions about these Salesforce features, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.